Hey everyone, I'm Chris, the co-founder of BrowserBook. BrowserBook is an AI-powered IDE purpose-built for writing deterministic, playwright-based web automations quickly and easily. Maybe not as quickly as you're seeing now, but you get the idea. Today, I want to walk you through some of BrowserBook's fundamental features for building reliable web automations. Let's start with the basics. The easiest way to write an automation is to use BrowserBook's AI assistant to write code for the next step in your automation. Our inline browser is on the product on homepage, and now we want the automation to click on the first link in the list. The assistant has the context of what's currently in the web page and pulls out the appropriate selectors to perform the actions you've specified. You can test the new code by clicking the play button in the top right corner of the new cell. As we can see, the desired action was taken in the inline browser. If you want to go back to the previous step, you can navigate using the browser controls, or you can just run the previous cell. All the code in your notebook shares the same content and variable scope, but cells can still run individually. Let's talk screenshots. We've added a few built-ins to the coding environment to help out with common use cases, which you can access at the bottom of the notebook panel. When you select Take Screenshot, a new code cell will appear with the namespace helper function. Just run the cell, and you'll see a new full-page screenshot appear in the Screenshots tab. Screenshots are saved in a temporary folder on your device, and you can access them easily straight from the IDE. BrowserBook also has built-ins for extracting data from the website you're automating. This time, we'll ask the assistant for help. We're back on the product on homepage, and we want to extract the name, description, tags, and URL for each product in the list. The assistant will write some code with the add output built in to grab the desired data. Now, we'll run the script that the assistant generated. Looks like it was successful. Extracted data is readily available in the Outputs tab, where it can be copied to your clipboard or downloaded. Now, we'll look at how to trigger an automation from BrowserBook's API. Once we're happy with the state of our notebook, we can take a snapshot so it's accessible via API. Click the API button at the top of the notebook and paste in your API key, which you can provision in your settings. We'll copy the curl example and run it in our terminal. The response shows us that our automation is currently sitting in the queue. We can go back to BrowserBook and look at the execution history page to check on its status. We can also see details of the execution. Looks like the automation just completed. Here, you can see any execution logs, outputs, or screenshots that were generated during the run, as well as a video playback of the execution. You may need to automate a website that requires authentication. BrowserBook has a secure, encrypted credential storage built in, so you can define an authentication profile and reuse it across your notebooks. All you need to do is use our auth built-ins to retrieve your profile and use them in your script. While this example shows how to use an email and password combination, BrowserBook also supports time-based one-time passwords for 2FA. When we run the script, your credentials are injected into the specified inputs, resulting in a successful login.